An ecosystem is a self-contained unit of living things such as plants, animals, decomposers, and their surrounding non-living things environment such as soil, air, and water. Ecosystem goes from above the ground to the deepest part of the ocean. If we zoom in into an ecosystem, it is little easier to see all the parts working together. For an instance, take the example of this pond ecosystem. The living things in the pond ecosystem includes fish, turtle, insects, aquatic plants, algae, and the decomposers. The interacting ways of these organisms affect their survival. For example, insects and fish eat aquatic plants, and the turtle again eat the fish. The non-living things such as soil, water, and carbon dioxide help the aquatic plant to grow, and these aquatic plants are later eaten up by the fish and insects. So we can clearly see that these components dependent on each other, and that's how the ecosystem works. There are two primary parts in an ecosystem. The biotic part is made up of all the living things such as plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, etc. Whereas the abiotic part is made up of non-living things such as water, rocks, minerals, various gases, etc. Ecosystem can be almost any size. While most of us think that an ecosystem might be a forest or an ocean, but an ecosystem can be a small pond or even the area beneath a large rock. Ecosystem need energy, and in this case the energy comes from sunlight. Producers like plants take the light energy and convert it into usable sugar energy or food by the process photosynthesis. Now from where and how do we get the energy? We get the energy from the food. The food is the sources of energy for all living things, and these food connect and relate all organisms to each other. Consider this: the grasshopper feeds or depends on the grass to obtain their food, and this grasshopper is then eaten up by the frog. The frog is eaten by the snake, and the snake is eaten by the eagle. Here the grass is the producer. It obtains the energy from the sun to produce its own food, and all other organisms which feed each other are the consumers. Thus, a series of organisms that eat one another, resulting in the flow of energy from one organism to other, and that is called a food chain. Many such food chains exist in the ecosystem. One organism can be food for many other organisms. For example, many worms feed the same grass. The worms are eaten by the frog and hen. If we carefully notice, the hen also eat the grains, but the frog and hen are both eaten by the eagle. Here you can see multiple food chains are formed, and these interconnecting food chains are called food web. And the main primary energy source for all food chain is the sun. Every food chain begins with a producer. They ultimately die and decomposed by next set of biotic components that are known as decomposers, and the components are added to the soil again. Now all these organisms in a food chain are classified into the trophic level depending upon their feeding behavior. The various steps in food chain at which the transfer of food takes place are called trophic level. So the first trophic level is the primary producers, the organisms which produce their own food, usually the green plants and algae. These organisms are also referred as autotrophs. The second trophic level is the herbivores. These organisms that eat plants. These organisms are also called primary consumers. They are the first step where the nutrients are consumed. Level 3 is carnivores, who eat the herbivores. They are eating organisms from level 2, so they are secondary consumers. Secondary consumers are followed by tertiary consumers. Level 4 are carnivores who eat other carnivores. Level 5 is the apex predators. They are the top of the food chain. They could not be eaten by other animals. Decomposers are also considered as the part of the trophic level. They break down dead organism into the soil, and they are also known as detritivores. So let us see an example of trophic level. The first trophic level is the primary producers, the grass. Level 2 is the primary consumers, which is the rabbit. Level 3 is the secondary consumers, which is the fox, followed by the eagle, which is the tertiary consumer at level 4, and the decomposers are at the level 5, which is here are the fungi.